pink hair. So I can't believe I actually have pink hair. And I still get shocked when I see the mirror or my reflection, but I'm still getting used to this. I got my nails done again. Isn't it cute? It's a smiley face. Okay. So I actually received a parcel from YesStyle's recently, and if you told me I would do a collaboration with YesStyle's like when I was younger, I would not believe it, because YesStyle's was like, I grew up with YesStyle's. YesStyle's is a beauty and lifestyle shopping site, I guess. Might as well find it. Yeah, so YesStyle's is like a beauty, clothing, accessory and lifestyle shopping website, and I use that a lot. Like, not even joking, I have a gold membership. I love YesStyle's, so I'm so honored to have this opportunity to unbox their one of their new products. It's a box. It's called INSSAKIT. INSSAKIT. So INSSA, I forgot how I found out about this term, but INSSA means insider, someone that knows like the trends, I guess, and kit means kit. So this is a kit or box full of trendy products from Korea. So that's what I'm going to be unboxing today, and if you stay tuned until the end of the video, there'll be details for a giveaway. Details are also on my Instagram post and in the description box below. Let's get started. Here is the box. I'm gonna open it. It's so cute! It's pink and purple. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's actually much bigger than I thought. Oh my god. It's so cute. Dun, 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 dun. I can't see. Oh, you can't see either. It says hashtag INSSAScoop. You can see other people's photos of what's inside this box. Oh, okay. Oh, I love the design of this. Wow, there's actually a lot in here. Oh my god. Okay, so first item, we have Calabai dried pollock, spicy flavor, and it's healthy. I've heard of Calabai. The brand, it's a weight loss brand, I think. Oh, I like fish snacks, so I'm excited to try it. Oh, more. And we have Vivid Studio Cheek Flash Highlighter. I've actually never heard of this brand, but I'm excited to try it out in number 3. It's pretty heavy. Wow, the packaging is so pretty. It's a bit bright now, so can't really tell. I think the products here are actually pretty good, so it's pretty worth it if you get this box, to be honest. Next we have Peach Sea Easy Matte Lipstick. There's 5 colors and I got Spring Coral. Wow, Peach Sea. Peach Sea is a brand that I've actually always wanted to try because the CEO, I used to follow her on Instagram because she has a lingerie company as well, so I wanted to try her products. It's a magnetic case. Keen to use this when I have a swatch. Wow. After that is VTX BTS. So I think BTS was the brand I think BTS was the brand ambassador for VT. I've never tried the products as well, so this is the Stay It Twin Eyeshadow in pink beige. Oh my gosh, I love how there's so much makeup in here. Let's open it. Oh, cute packaging. Sorry, I just keep calling everything cute, but it's like rose gold, and there's 1 and 2 colors. The first one is like goldish and the second one is pink goldish, rose goldish. Oh, it's a creamy texture. Oh my gosh. Now we have what is this? Is that banana? It's banana. It's a face mask. Oh, how interesting. It has banana and honey in the mask. Seems like there's a lot in here. There's 5 sheet masks in here. After this, we have Snail Miracle Repair Starter Kit. I use this brand, so it's Some by Me. I think I used another line of their products, but not this one. It includes gel cleanser, toner, serum, and cream. Exciting! We have some bubble wrap. It's so pink. Sleeping mask with a peach. It's the baby version of peach in Cacao Talk. Oh, it's super soft. Oh my gosh, it's really soft in the inside as well, so it will be really comfortable. And then we have, oh, hairbrush. Ah, this is what you use when you comb it and dry your hair at the same time. It says at the back some tips, so you can use it for your fringe, your volume, hair volume I guess, and like the C-curl at the ends of your hair. Ooh, sounds like a knife. Let me demonstrate. Keep it here and okay. Wow, this is, I've never seen this kind of product. Next we have, wait, I just saw the last product. Okay, for that, BTS collaboration with MTPR, I'm not sure what brand that is. Contact lens case. It's got the Big Hit logo sticker, so you know it's legit. Cute! It comes with a photo card. Jin! Oh, I think MTPR is a circle lens brand, I'm assuming. Let me put Jin back in. Next. Oh, I love Esther Kim. Esther Loves You is a brand that I've always wanted. I love this character. And I've always wanted to buy something from them, but I was too poor. Oh my gosh, is this a tote bag? It's a bag. Final item. I used to use Line and I bought her stickers. Oh my god, it's a tote bag. Wow, it's pretty thick. Good quality. And it has a pocket at the front. I'm gonna look too pink with pink hair and pink bag. So, final item is this. That is all of the products. I'm super keen to use all these products, especially the makeup ones. I'm gonna eat this on the train, like literally I have to go in like a few minutes, but because I didn't eat breakfast, I'll probably grab something and then snack on this. For the giveaway, I'll be giving away an INSSAKIT box to one of you guys. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel at @catwithleaf. Follow YesStyle and me on Instagram and comment down below either under this video or under my Instagram post which items from the INSSAKIT box is your favorite. Also include your Instagram ID or just your contact details so I can contact you if you win. That's it for my video. Good luck and I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm actually super excited to use these and this is like the cutest box I've ever received. This clip. Can you see? I bought a clip yesterday. INSSAKIT. So if you stay